I nailed the cat bottom, but sold way too early and feel dumb. I mean, you made money. That's all that matters. And at the end of the day, right? Like, as long as you had more money after the trade than you had before it, winning. Did we talk about Walmart agreeing to pay some $3 billion to settle some opioid lawsuit? Walmart? I didn't know they were involved. Also, I can't just not ask. How is November OPEX looking after today's price action? Fine. I think everyone expects, like, everyone gets so excited about OPEX that like, it builds up all this, like, steam going into it, but then everyone's, like, disappointed after. It's just a date. Like, see what happens, position for it accordingly. But you guys are, like, burning out all your bullishness before we're even at the important part, you know? And bulls get exhausted easily. Very fast over short distances, you know, like I'm outside my local GameStop to keep my eye on the company, as you mentioned before. Oh, fantastic. And FYI, either a homeless man or a BBBY bag holder just entered the store. How will this affect earnings? That's hazy. He's just there to pick up some hoodies. Bullish. Poland's head of National Security Bureau and government spokesman will hold a press conference in 5 minutes. Dude, I wasn't gonna watch the Poland head of National Security's Bureau's speeches before. I'm not gonna watch them now. That's like the New Jersey governor making a speech. Just let me know how it affects CD Projekt Red, and I can move on with my day. It's been a while since we've had a real OPEX. August? May caught a lot of people with their pants down, so did August. And then June and July were weak. August and September were disappointing. August was insane. We almost hit $200. Well, pre-split prices. $50. Even though I was hungover all day, no more drinking. Ding ding. No more drinking during the. Why am I still talking to you people? The day's over. Yeah, so a little bit of ups, a little bit of downs. Pretty fucking flat. I mean, Upstart held its overnight gains, but that was about it. I think GME actually performed a little bit better today. I don't know where that fucking line goes. 27.59, yeah. So Jimmy actually closing a little bit above open. Fubo, kind of about even. So Jimmy wins the performance race for today. Fantastic. This is why we all still own it. SPX, big drop off. We'll see what happens with the news overnight. I'm straddled into tomorrow. We got SLD for the next 3 days, so we could have rapid kind of sell offs at pretty much any point. Be prepared for that in some way, or at least use those drops as opportunities to enter, calls, or use them as opportunities to try to buy back covered calls, however you want to manage it. I think as long as Upstart remains on Reg Show, I continue to be pretty bullish on it, and everything looks really good still for OPEX. So we'll see what happens. Don't forget, with the holiday next week, we may see covering begin a little early. So be careful selling calls this week on anything. Well, any of these stocks at least. Thank you guys so much. I will see you tomorrow morning, right around market open. Good night, guys.